sinasabing 16 years. Parang isip ko, oo nga.
Hindi ko naman pinapaalala, pero yun eh, yun nakasulat dito. 16 years talaga eh.
Sabi mo, di ba? Isip-isip.
Ang big. Imagine mo kung nagkaanak ka ulit noon, teenager na rin siya.
No, so yung age niya, oo, yun yung edad. Hindi naman, yun yung edad, no, hindi, yun yung layo ng taon. Nung nagkatrabaho kami, edad niya yan. 16 siya nun eh. Oh, okay.
Wow.
Anak ko siya sa Maraclaro.
Anak mo na talaga.
Oo, diba? Diba? Sabi ko nga sa'yo, nakapagpatapos na ako ng piloto. So, ibig sabihin, tumanda na ako talaga. Pero you know what, Gretch? I'm just very grateful that we're still together. That I still get to do what I love to do. And I get to do it with people that I love working with. And you know, to be in my position, wala ka nang hinihingi kasi sa edad ko, ha? Yung healthy ka na lang, may mga anak ka, may asawa ka. Tapos yung mga katrabaho mo, yung mga nagsisimula, kasi nung nagsisimula kami ni Catherine, pareho pa kaming mga nangangarap. Hindi naman namin inakala ko ba, Kat, naisip mo ba darating tayo dito? Diba? So, you just keep working hard. At totoo, palakpakan natin si Kat kasi nakaka-proud yan, ha? It's something to be proud about, Kat. I mean, I have seen you when you were a nene. As in, as in. So imagine mo, now that I'm seeing her with all of the layers, not of her characters, not of her, because when I look at Kat, I don't see the characters. I don't see the roles. I see the young lady I still got to see growing up, and I see her now, and I'm so proud. I'm so proud. She knows it. At saka natatawa ko kasi yung mga tinatawanan namin ngayong Gretch sa set, yung mga tinatawanan din namin dati, street food, pagkain, tinapay, yun pa din sabi ko nga sa kanya, katang sarap pala ng ganito, no? Yung kahit papano, may na-achieve na tayo sa industriya ko, tapos nakakaluwag-luwag ka na, but you still become happy about the simplest of things. And for me, that is the true measure of a successful person. Yung hindi ka binago ng husay mo.
That's so
Ayun na.
beautiful.
Bukas siopaw, ha? Ano ha? Alam mo na. Alam mo na.
Pero alam mo, ang masasabi ko lang din kay Dimple, 16 years ago man yun, hindi nagbabago ang mukha mo. Isa kang vampira. What is your secret?
The secret is to have peace.
Peace.
Kasi alam mo, kahit anong gawin mong pagpapaganda, pag wala kang kapayapaan sa puso, sa isipan mo, hindi ka magiging maganda at masaya.
Totoo naman.
Oh, sorry na, inuna ko yun. Di ba totoo naman, Drag, hindi kasi nakaka-pretty pag wala kang peace.
Pag konsumido, it shows.
Yeah, totoo yun.
Haggardus versus, I'm
I
sure.
have a fantastic husband for that. And my children, they all make me so happy. So wala na akong mahiling pa. Just to be here with you guys is just cherry on the top.
Aww.
Oh, I'm so grateful. Thank you, Netflix. And thank you so much, Samuel. And Dreamscape. And Kat, thank you for allowing me to be part.
Thank you for saying yes.
Yay!
Thank you. Yes.
At malapit na natin mapanood yung outcome ng work na ginawa nyo. Kasi ngayon pa lang feel na natin yung bonding nyo, and I'm sure this will translate even more sa screen. Now this question, we have a question from our friends from the press. This is for Catherine and James from My Movie World. Before filming, what were your first impressions about each other? And was there a particular scene or moment during production that helped build your chemistry?
Well, like I mentioned earlier, we didn't get. This is our first time working together. So unlike with Adimanj, you know, we have a clean slate. You know, we have a clean slate to work from. And to be honest, going into like our role is like best friends since childhood. So jumping right into that wasn't easy. We had a lot of help from the whole cast actually to help break the ice and
Tagal mag-break ng ice talaga na yun. Ang laki ng ice.
Expensive yung
and to really help build the relationship of Billy and Jordan, because it's such an important relationship throughout the whole series. But I don't even know what the question is anymore. But I think the scene, first impression.
Yeah.
I don't think I had too many, I think, what's the word I'm looking for? Preconceptions, is that the right word? About Kath before working together. Other than, that she's very talented, but being able to work with her on the show, how much attention she has to the details, to the story, the perfectionist in Kath, I super appreciate, especially with this project and it being my first project back in so long. I think that was extremely helpful to me. And I think the other part was, what's the scene?
Yeah, na medyo nag-bonding sa'yo, na-break yung ice, meron ba?
I think for me it was the one in the car, the one in the trailer. So
Ah,
we can
really?
talk about that.
Okay.
Yeah, just because it was so crazy and yes.
Okay.
The scene that we have in the trailer where Billy is like racing, I think that scene was so fun. It was a nice icebreaker.
Okay, thank you, James.
Yeah, I know.
Nandito yung backup namin dalawa.
Mama jerks.
Ikaw naman, Catherine, did you have any first impressions kay James? And paano kayo yeah.
First impression, I expected James to be really shy. And I was right. He's very shy. I'm the type of person pa naman na, it takes a while for me nga to warm up. And usually, may isa na mag-break na ice. So the problem with us, sino?
Walang gusto mauna?
So parang, I'm shy, he's shy. So paano natin to? Paano to? Kasi dapat childhood best friends kami. So,
It was a group effort.
yeah, it was a group effort. And also, I think nag-work din yung we didn't force anything. Because I think anything that's forced, the audience will see it. And we don't want to, alam mo yun, na-arte mo lang na, okay, you're best friends, you're very comfortable. So I think personally, kung anong nakatulong sa akin, I tried to create a world ni Billy and ni Jordan. So when we are on set, and then when the director says action, it's like, okay, this is Billy and Jordan talking. And then once cut na, back to, James and Kat. And I think it worked naman. Kasi we were able to, yun yung maganda rin pag sa serye, you have time to create and to, get to know each other. Now I'm more, parang I know James, not so much still. Kasi ang hirap kasi wala kaming common friends. Wala kaming common projects in together. So wala talagang very unfamiliar si James sa akin. But now, every taping, I got to know him more. And then, I'm just curious about him. I think it helped too. Kasi if you're too familiar with the person, iba rin kung paano mo siya tingnan. So I think, nakatulog din siya na hindi ko naman siya intention. When I look at James, okay, ganito pala siya. Ganito siya mag-prepare for a role, mag-process ng emotions. And it's nice to witness that during taping. So yeah, it helped creating the world of Billy and Jordan. Na it's really different from Kath and James. So you get to see both. You see Kath and James today, and then on Friday you get to see and enter the world of Jordan and Billy. So I hope you enjoy because it's a beautiful friendship they have talaga.
And ang ganda rin, slow burn like you said, because ang daming episodes. Maraming time. Maraming time. Bawal sabihin. Okay, now this question is for everybody, for Direk, Chad, Dolly, and of course Maha, Catherine, James, and Dimples. Netflix has become a platform where Filipino stories are reaching audiences around the world. Now, as the faces of someone someday, what do you hope viewers across the different countries, discover about Filipino storytelling through this series? Dali. Dali.
Ang hirap pa ako yung unang sumasagot eh.
And I thank you.
And I thank you. I think the importance of family. I think yun yung pinaka-sana makuha ng mga international audience. And syempre kahit yung mga Filipino audience natin is how crucial family is to us and how crucial it develops people. Parang kasi doon sa lahat ng characters na makikita nila sa show namin, lahat sila iba-iba yung pamilya, iba-iba yung klase ng pagpapalaki doon sa mga characters. Kaya naging ganun yung characters nila. So sana yun yung makita natin na when they see the show, things that they should do, should not do, or should be aware of, that the things they do affects their children. So, I think yun.
Ooh, ang lalim nun. Direct Shad.
Coming back to the family core values that Dami said. For me, yun nga, babalik ulit doon ako sa realism ng characters. Kasi parang, for me, it's okay to show how that you're not your best foot forward always. Diba? So parang, at the end of the day, ano ba ang nagsasalba sa atin? Well, it's the values of the Filipinos. It's our family, it's our friends. Who we also who we also treat as family. Like I said last time, friends are the family we choose. How Billy treats Jordan as her family, and how she treats her loveliest family, her family. So, ayun, parang you were not alone. People around you, your family will always be with you no matter what.
Thanks, Direct Shad. Dimples.
Mahirap pala. Ito na, pahirap na. Pag-last
Three na tayo.
Final
Oo,
round.
diba? Pero ako siguro, I just want to touch on the storytelling of Someone Someday. As you can see, yung theme, kanina pinapakinggan ko tayo, kasi ngayon ko lang kasama-sama na tayo, diba? Now, all I could hear is that we all took a chance on a project that we weren't even sure about because some of us didn't even get to work with each other before. But that's the beauty of Filipino storytelling, is that now the landscape has changed with the help of Netflix, because now we're opening our eyes to things that are new. And new things could be something that's magical and beautiful all at the same time. Kasi sanay tayo mga Pinoy na kung saan tayo nasanay, yun lang yung laging binabalikan natin. Pero dito, for Someone Someday, I have seen it work over and over again na, oh, magic yun. I watched James and Kat and Madge have these magical moments in the series, and I'm like a fan watching. I'm like, grabe, 3 decades na ako sa industriyang to, pero I still get surprised. Kinilig ako, nainis ako, nagalit ako, tapos nagmahal na naman ako. Tapos inisip ko, ay, ang ganda ng show namin. And you know, we were steered by the best. Thank you, Direk Chad and Direk Polly, and of course, Direk Andor as well. No? So ako lang, the storytelling, beauty, yun sana yung makita ng wider audience natin that this time Filipinos are going out of the box, and we have our stars proving everybody wrong and saying, you know what, this is new and you're gonna love it.
I love it. Exciting. Thank you, Dimples. Maha. Ano susundan? Pressure in the
Pero agree naman talaga, Ate. Siyempre, isang malaking karangalan na makagawa ng napakagandang teleserye, ng isang series, at mapapanood sa iba't ibang bansa through Netflix. At sana mapanood nila kung gaano ka-honest, kung gaano ka-emosyonal, kung gaano ka-relatable yung series na ginagawa natin mga Pinoy. Kasi, ewan ko, kahit naman iba't iba tayo ng bansa, ang pagmamahal, ang pag-asa, ang takot, universal yan eh, diba? Pare-parehas natin nararamdaman. So, etong Someone Someday through Netflix, diba? So, sana makita nila kung gaano kagaling ang mga Pilipino.
Thank you, Madge.
Okay ba yun?
Oh, very good.
Pwede.
Very, very good.
Kasi di ang hirap mo sundan.
Si Dimples talaga may sundan yan. Oo. James.
I think, at least on I'd like to talk more about on the music side. I think I would love for people internationally across Southeast Asia and throughout the world to experience more of Filipino music, which I'm super grateful that we get to showcase in the show. There's multiple artists that get to perform the original music as part of the storytelling in the show, and I think it's such a great time for OPM. I've been in the music industry now for also a very, very long time, and I think it's probably one of the best places it's ever been in a long time. So So I'm super excited as well for Filipino music. I'm so grateful we got to include these other artists like Maki, Angela Ken, many more into the show to really enhance the storytelling. Sometimes music really explains it best.
Yes, I totally agree.
Thank you.
Thanks, James. Kat.
Okay. I think Filipinos are known for, I think everything that we do, it's very focused on family, love, all the good things. The Filipino core values. It's something we try to show every time we create something, whether it's a movie or a TV series. Siyempre gusto natin makita yung touch ng Pinoy, right? Kasi especially we have this platform now, which is Netflix, na we get to have the chance to show how Filipinos are, especially families here. Kung paano sila, when they're sad, when they're happy, paano yung mga Pinoy. But siguro, I like this, what I like about our show so much is that pinakita namin yung hindi usual na pinapakita sa pamilya dito sa Pilipinas. So, it's not the ideal family you see, it's not the perfect family, definitely. You see the parang other side of the coin. You see the brokenness, you see the traumas as well, you see the how important it is, especially for the children, kung gaano ka-important yung childhood sa kanila because growing up, yun pala yung dala-dala nila. So it's the values, or parang it's the modern way of telling the world na, hey, hindi rin kami parang very resilient all the time. We all have our parang not so good days as well. And it's nice because all of the characters, we get to show that their imperfections, they're flawed. But then at the end of the day, ask yourself, bakit nila ginawa yun? Tapos may realize mo din, naiintindihan ko kung bakit nila ginawa yun. So we try to keep that in mind sa buong show. And hopefully, yeah, not just the Filipinos, everyone, napapanoorin tong show namin. Sana makita nila na, okay, ganito na pala yung mga pamilya din ngayon. Na yung family, it's not just, you don't have to be blood related and all. Family, pwede mo yung makuha sa kaibigan, pwede mo makuha sa office, sa trabaho mo. You create your own family, and I think that's the core message of our show. And then you allow them to help you as well, especially when you're at your lowest. So yeah, hopefully after this, makita nila yun globally and especially kung saan tayo ipapalabas ng mga countries.
So it's a very real and authentic depiction of how we are as Filipinos and our families and love and kung ano-ano pa. But we have a special treat.